Hey guys, welcome to the free course of Apex Programming Level 4. I'm Amit Kumar, and in this video I'm going to introduce you about this course. Now this whole course is divided into 3 sections. The first section is introduction, which is going to introduce you about the course and about your trainer. The second section is on conditional statements, where we are going to study about if-else statements, nested if-else statements, if-else-if ladder, switch statement, example programs, and some practice exercises. The section 3, which is iterative statements, there we are going to discuss about while loop, do while loop, for loop, iterating collection with for loop, break and continue statements, some example programs, and some practice exercises. In this whole course, I have given sufficient amount of example programs and enough practice exercise questions so that you can have sufficient amount of examples and sufficient amount of practice exercise questions to practice on them. With each video in the resource section, you are going to get the PDF with all the slides which is used to explain you the theoretical aspects, along with the screenshots of all the practical session. So that's going to help you a lot to revise the theoretical and the practical aspects. I hope you are going to love this course as you have shown your love with the previous courses as well. So that marks the end of this video. See you soon in the next video. Till then, thank you and take care.